Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are actually at a model train place. Right there's a little train. So, as you probably know about model train, I just said that that there's model trains over here. So I'm gonna be showing you all the model trains in this place. It's pretty sick. One literally goes from right over there, goes up here, and then just goes around. This one right here. Some down here. Yeah, so it's pretty sick. There's also a big mountain over there. So yeah. First model train that we're gonna do is, I'm gonna zoom in for that one, is that mini one. It's probably this as well. I don't really like this one. It's so tiny, it's so tiny.
Look at this one, guys, look at this one.
Yeah, that one's not that good. I would agree on that one, it's not that good. Okay, next one. No. Now we're gonna do this one right there. And chugga chugga, oop, chugga chugga, oop, chugga chugga, oop, doop, whatever, let's just get it going. Okay, we got this one started. At least. Oh, Hayden, seriously, man.
It's just to start.
We'll look at that one later. Right now, we're doing this one. This one's very slow for some reason. Must be that it's going up a mountain. It's like going so slow. Go quicker, 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 quicker. Oh, there, it's going on a bridge. Oh, that's pretty sick. It like goes on up there, and there's a track here, and then there's a train there, and then a train there. So it's going over a few trains. Oh, it looks, oh, whoa, no, whoa, look at this bridge. That's sick, man. One of
Mountains are coming out of that.
And the slow train slowly. Oh, the caboose! It's like turning. Oh, the thing, Mom, the rail. One of the things on the caboose is off the rail. It looks like Okay, next one we're gonna do is this one right here. It's a pretty cool one, actually.
Oh, it's gonna come over here, Mom. It's gonna come over here.
Hayden, remember, don't be too loud, bud. Okay, and then it goes in the tunnel. Don't worry. The one in the tunnel earlier is actually gonna be way over there. So when this one comes through, it should. When this one right down here comes all the way over there, the other one that I started right here should be coming. So this train's actually way faster than the other one.
And mine.
Okay. And then this train actually is gonna go in the tunnel. Here. And I'm pretty sure it'll come out of this tunnel. There it is. That's pretty sick. This is also pretty sick. The bridge. Okay. Then it'll go in another tunnel. Oh, then it comes out, goes in another tunnel, and it'll come out right over here. Now this one should be coming out soon. The slow one. Yeah, I'm just watching that one. This one's pretty hard to see since it's at the very bottom, so if you guys aren't getting a good view, it's because of that. And now,
It's gonna go back.
if you guys hear a loud noise, it's just the one that my brother and my mom is watching.
It's right above us.
And that train's done. So now,
Oh, I think the sun's coming out.
oh no, I can hear it though. There's like the train that I started right here. I can hear it. It's gonna come out of that tunnel right there. But yeah, I told you I heard it. It's kind of a weird thing. It goes like that train, then that car go, and then a passenger car and caboose. Camusi. So that's all these trains except that one that we'll be watching at the very end. Now we're gonna come to this train over here. And since there's only one train on this whole one, which one is it? Okay. This one's gonna be moving. Pretty cool one actually. I agree that it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool down here. So this one's not really too quick of a train either, but it's actually way smaller. So I get that, it's not that quick. So then you can probably, the train will go over there and then go through the tunnel. Okay, so it went in the tunnel. Now, if we go over here, you can probably see it way down there, making its way over here. I can hear it coming. Okay, this one's actually not that, it's kind of slow, but at the same time it's not. Look at that, it's on a little bridge. Then it'll come over here. Oh, that's sick. It like the tracks go in the water. And then it's on the other side of this mountain, don't worry. And then right here is what the tunnel's called. It's pretty small. And this is over, this one's almost over. And it'll stop right there. Okay, now, this train right here is the longest one. We're gonna press it. You can see the train down there. Now, this thing's going in a tunnel. I just think it might come out here. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, it does come out right there. It's actually a small train, and I get that because it's gonna be going on a lot of hills. After this train, I'm gonna end the video. Just let you know. While we're watching this, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you click that like button, it'll turn black. And hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Oh, wait, what the? Hayden, there's another, the train just came out with the slow one. It's right here. There's 3 trains going at the same time. So this one will go right here, then it'll come out right there. Then I think it'll come out, yeah, it does come out right there. Then it's going on this cool bridge. And then I think you guys can see, but I can't see that. It'll go in the tunnel. I don't know where it'll come out though. Okay, so I think it'll come out right about up there. Up on that bridge, like right through that.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
I don't know, but I think it will. If you guys see a train, just let me know. I think it should be coming out this tunnel. I can't promise you, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I can't. There's no train. Oh, there it is. There is a train. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so it goes on that bridge. Then it'll go around over there. Then I know where it goes. Then I'm pretty sure it should come out right on that purple bridge right up there. Yep, there it is. Oh,
Because it reflects off.
yeah, there's a reflection of the construction things. Just ignore that. Oh, I wish I can get rid of that. So I'll go down here. It's like going really slow because it's going up a steep hill. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no. No, no.
Hunter, I'm trying to start a train.
No, 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 no. Wait, I think it's gonna be coming out right there. It's like so far from me. I'm just zooming in. Oh, that dang reflection. I don't like that.
Oh, I was the one that started it.
Okay. Okay. Then it'll be right up.
I'm studying all the trains now.
Am I gonna turn for it? This is the cool one which goes on the roof. There it goes, boys. It's like really cool because it goes down. Okay. If you guys like model trains, or you should watch the rest of this video. If you know, if any of your friends, well, if you have any friends that like model trains, you should let them know that they should probably watch this video. Okay, now it's going like super quick because it's like going. Okay. And then I'll come out right there. Kaboomy! Oh God, sorry. It's like going so quick. Okay, I'll come out. Okay, now it's gonna come out right. Holy poop! It's like going so quick. Like, on the camera it doesn't look like it's going quick, but I'm literally like running right now. No wonder it's so quick. It went from all the way up there just to down here. Goes in the tunnel. It'll slow down. And kaboom. That's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go tell your friends if they like model trains. Obviously, they're probably gonna like this video. So yeah, see ya.